Hello everybody and welcome back to JoEnglish. Today we have another lesson of only English and I will speak 100% in English to help you improve your listening. So today I thought it would be quite fun to talk about language that we use with social media. We all use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, or just a normal text message. And often when we are writing, we use abbreviations or acronyms instead of writing the whole word. So today I'm going to go through with you some of the most commonly used abbreviations and acronyms in English. Obviously, there are lots and lots of these abbreviations and acronyms. So please, in the comments, let me know which is your favourite and also if I haven't mentioned one that you think is used a lot. Okay, so please write in the comments. I want to hear from you and I will reply, I promise. Let's go. When I was thinking how could I do this lesson, one idea was simply to put a list of the acronyms and then the meaning next to them. But I don't think this helps much when we're looking to use them in an everyday situation. So what I thought would be a good idea would be to look through some of the conversations on messages that I have had, and I'll share those with you. And then you can see these abbreviations, these acronyms in context. So let me have a look through my phone. Okay, this is a good one. I don't know if you have heard of Jurgen Klopp, the Liverpool football manager. Okay, well, he messaged me the other day and he said, "Hey Joe, how's it going?" So I replied, TBH, not very good. Napoli lost yesterday. I'm a big Napoli supporter, so they lost and I wasn't very happy. But TBH, what does that mean? In English, we use TBH to mean to be honest. So I said, to be honest, not very good. Because usually when somebody says, how's it going? How are you? The response is normally, great, fine, thanks, no problem, but I wanted to tell the truth. So, to be honest, not very good. Napoli lost yesterday. But then he replied, don't worry, are you free on Saturday? So, I replied, IDK. So what does IDK mean? IDK means I don't know. It's just a short way of writing I don't know. So he then replied again, I need you to play for Liverpool, PLZ. He needs me to play for Liverpool. But what does PLZ mean? PLZ is another way of just writing please. And normally all these abbreviations and acronyms, we put them in capital letters. So he said, I need you to play for Liverpool, please. So I replied, okay, OMW. OMW means on my way, I am coming. So it's basically me accepting his offer and that I would come straight away. He then replied, great. I owe you. So, I owe you. I owe you is literally I owe you. To owe somebody means you need to return a favour. So, in the future, I'll probably phone up Jurgen and ask him for something. Okay, let's have a look at some other messages. Obviously, these are all 100% genuine. Here we are. Here's another one. My friend from England, Boris Johnson. So Boris PM, Prime Minister. Anyway, he messages me from time to time. And he said, hi Joe, I think I'm managing the COVID pandemic really well. What do you think? So I replied, laughing face, LOL. I thought he was joking. LOL means laugh out loud. So something is so funny, you are physically laughing out loud. But he then replied, what? So I don't think he thought it was a joke. But then I replied, still thinking it was a joke, good joke, LMAO. Now, what does LMAO mean? Now, this is another way of saying you are laughing a lot. And it's a little bit rude because it means laugh my arse off. So again, it's just another way of saying I'm laughing even more. So we've got LOL and then LMAO, which is even more. But he then replied and said, oh, I'm serious. So I replied, TBH, to be honest, the one we saw earlier, IMO, I don't think you are. So IMO means in my opinion. So he asked me, what do you think about managing the pandemic? And I said, in my opinion, I don't think you are handling it, managing the pandemic very well. Then he didn't reply, so that's not very good. But anyway, let's have a look for something else. Here's one. Another text message, 100% genuine, of course, from Jennifer Aniston, the actress from Friends. Anyway, she said, hey Joe, how you doing? Now I think how you doing, do you remember Joey, the character from Friends? He always used to say it.
Hey, how you doing?
So I think she's just having a bit of a joke. Anyway, she said, I'm coming to Italy. So I reply, OMG, that's great. So OMG is, oh my God, fantastic. Okay, that's great. Then she said, want to meet up? With an emoji with the heart in the eyes. You know, want to meet up, very abbreviated language, very, very spoken language, this. And I said, okay, BTW, I'm married. BTW, I'm married. So BTW means by the way. By the way, it's, you want to add a bit more information on, because obviously she's asking me out, but I don't want to give her the wrong impression, obviously. So, by the way, I'm married. Then she got a bit angry. She said, WTF. I think you may know what that means. That means, what the f***? So obviously, she's not very happy. But then I reply, yes, you know that. I always tell you. She's constantly phoning me. And then she says, FML. FML, again, is quite a rude one. It means, f*** my life. Which means, oh, my life is so bad. Everything is going wrong in my life. So she wasn't very happy about this. But what can I do? It is not my fault. And again, I didn't hear anything more, so I don't think we're going to meet up, unfortunately. But anyway, there we are. Those are some examples of some abbreviations that we use. So again, here's the list of them again. I just want you to think, when you are writing on social medias or text messages, try and impress your friends. Try and use some of these and see if they know what they mean. Okay, again, if you know any others, let me know. Put them in the comments, because there are hundreds of them, okay? Let me know what your favourite one is, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.